What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Monday, 28th July 2025, heading to my next service call. We have an A.O. Smith water heater service call. We are a contracted authorized service provider of A.O. Smith products, and as such, we get dispatched to a service call on their products every so often, maybe about once a week or so. Not too much. They make great, reliable, quality products. I love them so much that every time I either service, repair, or install an A.O. Smith water heater, I buy one share of AOS. It's quite a stable company. It hasn't really gone up that much, but I believe in the product. So we're down the block from the service call. Hopefully I'll get some footage of what's going on there and get them up and running in one trip, saving them time and money. Let's go. Hi. Hi, here for the water heater.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm coming up.
Let's hold it down. There's the light right there. All right, holding it down. There's our pilot light.
Is that Mike?
Yes, it is.
Where's Wendy?
Nothing. All right, let's test voltage on the pilot generator. Looks like we got a bad valve. Yeah, bad valve. We're based in Woodmere on Central Avenue, between Irving and Franklin. Say that again?
Had I not been here, you would have sent me.
I would have called you for a credit card.
Oh, you would call me. Okay.
Yeah. And they say hand tight is gas tight, right? That was tight. Nothing else was though. Interesting, you have a floor drain here, but you have a floor drain here, but you don't have a pan.
I don't know.
Very weird. Very, very weird. Okay. We're going to do this slickly. Okay. Are you ready for it? That's how you do it, folks. That's how you do it. That's right, baby. Yeah, that's right. Let me tell you, that main burner nut, that was impossible to get on. It really was. Okay. Wish there was a light built into these glasses. Oh, the haters are gonna hate Mikey Pipes. Why aren't you using a pipe wrench? Why are you holding back? Yeah, that's what we're working with. Got gas? Set that bad boy to pilot. Oh, there we go. Okay. If you listen carefully, you'll hear it relight. There it is. There's the pilot light. Now we wait for that thing to start blinking. They always say, if first you don't succeed, try again. Bingo. And Houston, we've got ignition. Beautiful. That's how you do it on the fly.